Because of the weather, we'll be delaying the show for a few minutes, but keep your fingers crossed for the rain to clear up.
亲爱的观众，由于气候关系，我们不得不暂停表演几分钟。
現在天候不良のためショーの始まりが少々遅れております。天候の回復を皆様も祈ってくださいね。
손님 여러분, 날씨 관계로 쇼가 몇 분간 지연되었음을 진심으로 사과드립니다. 속히 날씨가 개었으면 좋겠습니다.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry to tell you that because of the weather, we'll be delaying the show for a few minutes, but keep your fingers crossed for the rain to clear up.
亲爱的观众，由于气候关系。
Yes, very good. Okay, so just a gentle reminder for those of you taking pictures or videos, kindly turn off your flashes from your cameras and video cameras because these bright lights they may startle the birds or even harm their eyesight. Okay, it may look like lightning to them as well. Okay, so as you can see, we already have a bird right here with me. Now this is a yellow named Amazon parrot. So before we start, let's do a welcome handshake first. There you go. So he will be introducing his name first. Can you tell everyone your name? Do you catch that? One more time, what's your name? Your name? Bao Bao is his name. Now Bao Bao means baby or precious in Mandarin. So before Bao Bao begins, he wants everyone to do something for him. Look at that. He wants everyone to keep quiet because the sounds he's gonna make are rather soft. So let's start with the first sound. What was that? Yes, that's right. It sounds like someone knocking on the door. So when someone knocks on the door, what do you ask? Who is it? Okay, Papa, I think it's your very fierce neighbor at the door. Not a very fierce dog. It sounded more like a cute little puppy, okay? Now not only that, you can also copy high-tech sounds. Everyone guess what this is? What was that? Yes, that's the sound of the telephone. So when the telephone rings, you pick it up and you say, hello. Hello. Okay, one more time. Say hello. 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 There you go. Very nice. And say hello from Bao Bao. Now you can also copy human sounds, sounds that you and I make. So when you're feeling sad, what do? You cry, right? Bao Bao, how do you cry? Cry. Oh, that is a very sad bird right there. So I'm going to cheer him up, I'm going to tickle him, and then he will start to laugh. There you go, this is how he laughs, okay? Now Bao Bao here can also sing a line of the birthday song. So by any chance, is there anyone celebrating a birthday today? Raise up your hands, let's start from the people on this side. Birthdays. This one, okay, we have one gentleman right here. Anybody else? Two. Anyone else that I missed out? Oh, three all the way up there. Okay. Alright, so for the three of you, Bao Bao, can you sing for them, please? That was a little bit too fast. Let's try this one more time. Can we sing together? Happy birthday to you. Okay, on your own. There you go. Happy birthday to the three of you. Thank you for celebrating your birthdays right here in the bird park. Now it's time for Bao Bao here to head back home. But before that, he has something really nice to say to everyone. I love you. I love you. One more time. I love you. We all love you too, Bao Bao. And can you be a good boy? Wave and say bye-bye. 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 There you go. Welcome, Bao Bao. Our yellow name is Amazon parrot. Okay, so after hearing Bao Bao perform, you might actually want above your heads. I need everyone's cooperation to remain seated at all times and do not reach out and try to touch the bird, okay? Sassy, you ready? Sheena's waiting for you. Sir, please put your hand down. Thank you very much. Come on, right there. Sassy, Sheena's up there. She's waiting for you. Do you see her Wrong person. Sassy, let's try this one more time, okay? So I think she likes you, that's why she do it to you, okay? Okay, Sassy, let's do this one more time. Okay? Alright, come over here. You got the wrong person. It's right over there. Okay, are you ready? Try this one more time, okay? Yeah. Up there. Okay, there she goes. Alright, very good. Put it down. That's a good girl. And you fly back down to me. She loves posing for pictures with her. Okay, you done? Can we give a sporting volunteer a round of applause? Ah, there you go. Can we give Bingo a big hand, everyone? Oh, look at that. Bingo has done it. Can we give Bingo another round of applause? There you go. Very nice and sweet. Hello. Now can you introduce yourself? Tell them your name. Amigo. Do you catch that? One more time your name. Amigo. Amigo is his name. Okay, Amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? How are you? So how are you feeling this afternoon despite the weather? Good? Excellent. And not only that, Amigo here is also very smart. He can count from 1 to 10. First in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A perfect 10. Good job, Amigo. Now he's going to impress you even further by counting in Chinese.
1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。
Anhao means very good in Chinese. And not only that, Amigo loves to sing as well, and he can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. So the first song, a local children's song called Reply, which means a guest comes to visit. Amigo, how do you sing in Mandarin? Do you hear that? That's his silent mode, okay? No, I'm just kidding. So as you can see, we are doing this live. We are not playing any kind of tape recorder. Amigo, can we try this one more time? How do you sing in Mandarin? There you go. Current live was one word by Amigo. Now the second song originated from Indonesia called Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. This time, Amigo, how about Rasa Sayang? Hey, that was a very chirpy song, right? Now finally, the last song is in English. Okay, so you heard Bao sing the birthday song, half of it, right? The first line. Amigo here can sing the whole line of the birthday song. Okay, so once again, I'm gonna ask for those of you who have just arrived, anyone else celebrating a birthday? Okay, other than the gentleman right here. Okay, and the young kid right there. There were 3 of you guys, right? 1, 2. Where's the third one? Oh, 3 all the way up there. Anyone else? No? Okay. Oh, all the way up there. We have a 4th one right there. So for the 4 of you, Amigo, you know what to do.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to the 4 of you. And good job, Amigo. Now it's time for Amigo here to head back home. Next stop from Eastern Europe, we have our Dalmatian Pelicans. Come on out, guys. And now back to Africa, birds with their sexy long legs, supermodels of the world. We have our greater flamingos. show. Now you are more than welcome to come down and take pictures of these birds. Okay, they will be staying here for a few more minutes so that you guys can take pictures of them. Okay. Now, by the way.
Ready? Ah, here.